I'm very pleased that we held the first Ministers of Youth and Sports Conference right here in St. Lucia. We know that we have many, many challenges when it comes to youth development and especially crime. And it was very interesting to have discussions on some of the proactive activities we could do to really wrestle that issue and, of course, strengthen our justice system in terms of ensuring that we have more mediation and that sort of intervention for young persons who find themselves in deviant behavior. In terms of sports development, we had thorough discussion on the establishment of the OECS championships or the re-establishment of the OECS championship. And I think most of the islands are excited about the prospect of that championship simply because we are on the heels of Dominica and St. Lucia pretty much showing their pedigree on a global stage in terms of winning a gold medal at the World Indoor Championship. And we're certainly hoping to piggyback on some of the discussions we had in terms of strengthening the relations within the OECS. I'm particularly interested in the CREP proposal and the partnership with Guadeloupe to ensure that high performance athletes are given the opportunity to access some of the best facilities to further develop their skill. And so I look forward to my chairmanship for this year and working with the other islands to exchange notes on best practices in the islands and how we develop young people through sports and through creative means and ensuring that we could really transform their lives.